All right, y'all, welcome back to a new video. You already know how this thing finna go. We got the G in the background and she ready to go. I still don't know if I want this car to be a guy or a girl though, honestly. But got a couple things going on today. Hey, look who it is. Drift boys. Look at them wheels up there. My neighbors. Anyways, yeah, so about to take this car out. As y'all can see from one of the last videos when we did the Y pipe, my tires are no good. So at the moment I'm gonna get ready to take this car to a tire shop up the road, get some new tires put on the front. And then I'm also going to go get some new some adjustable rear arms for this car too. Terrence has some, yeah, he got some rear adjustable arms that he's gonna give me. So I'm gonna go over there and why not take those off, put them on here. That'll go ahead and start my my suspension process that I'm gonna be doing to it. I got a lot of stuff that I want to do to the suspension anyway because I don't like how bouncy it is, but that'll be the first. If you're watching, stop and go ahead and add me. Subscribe. Press that subscribe button right now. Drop the like right now. Don't wait. It's only what, 2 minutes into the video? Yeah. Stop right now. Add me on Instagram. Add me on YouTube. That bitch sound like you got cams in it. Y'all hear the cams in the G? Big cam setup. Stop playing. Anyways, I'm about to move these cars around. I'm gonna move the G out. I'm gonna put the Beamer here. So I'm gonna give you guys a cold start on the Beamer too. And 3, 2, 1. Let's pull this thing back inside. The driveway. All right, leaving the house now. Car does sound so different with the Y pipe on it, no cap. That's weird. Wow, did make it louder for sure. Well, that was a fail. Just got to the shop. They didn't have any tires for me, so they don't have my size. So with that being said, off to the next place. I'll see you guys when I get there. Open accessory. All right, here are the trailing the tow arms in the back, trailing arms. I forgot which one they are. Anyways, this is it. Take these off of here since this car's getting sold, and then put the stock ones back on. Yeah, let's get to it though. Gotta find a spot to put y'all at. Really simple. Maybe well, screwing the nut, they pull right out. Screwing the nut, put back in. So, let me see if I can get y'all somewhere. All right, got the arms off, both of them, nice lovely. Now I'm gonna jack my G up and get those off of there real quick. Let's do it. All right, here's mine. Get these off of here real quick. All right, got them things in there. It's almost done over there. The old ones right here. It's not a hard job at all. It's actually pretty easy. It's just kind of tough to get the bolts back in and out. Other than that, it's not bad. Today I'm gonna go get the tires put on. I found someone who does have the tires. So we're gonna head on over there right now and start getting those tires put on. I probably gotta stop and get gas. I mean, like a quarter of a tank, but probably stop and get some gas too. I gotta get the tires and I gotta get an alignment. My alignment's all over the damn place right now. Alright, let's go get some gas real quick. 40 on 5.
40 on 5?
Yes. Matter of fact, just put 50 on there. Just do 50. Yeah, just do 50. I know damn well you ain't full up no 2.5. To it. Next stop, tires. All right, y'all. So I couldn't record over there when we were doing the tires because they got music on over there, but it's quiet over here. And now I'm getting my alignment. I really didn't want to get this alignment yet because of, you know, it's not like this is gonna be the last suspension thing I'm gonna do. But I guess we're not gonna be putting those other ones on right now. So why not at least save the tires and stuff that I do have, since they just not put them on and they're like brand new. So why not save these tires that I do have for a little bit until I do get the rest of the stuff. And then I just have to get it realigned or whatever. But yeah. So we're doing the alignment right now. I'll let you guys know when they're done because the music is pretty loud over here. Let's get it. All right, guys. Alignment's done. Tires done. We're gonna go take it for a ride. Now I can stop hearing people talk so much trash about my alignment. My steering wheel straight. My car straight. Shut up. All right. Press pull with the new tires on it. Feels really good to have a good alignment now. My steering wheel goes straight and it doesn't turn that way for me. I love it. I really hate the low decel. Oh, it irks my nerves. Acceleration's great. It sounds super angry, but it's decel. Decel sounds like poop. Decel sounds like poop. Decel from about 3. Yeah, see, from 3,000 RPM, it sounds like poop. Why, bro? Oh my god, that's why I need to hurry up and get my own shit. Now everybody know I park right here. If you're gonna park there, at least go all the way up like how I do. Can't win for losing, bro. I swear. So I'm finna get my own shit right now. By the end of this year, I'm gonna be on my own shit. Y'all heard this first. All right, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Just had to finish. I really just had to finish it. I'm actually about to start on the video right now with that car, but that's gonna be the end of this video with this car. Got the tow arms on in the back. Y'all go add me. Make sure y'all hitting that sub button, please. Hit that sub button. Hit that sub button. Follow me on there. Y'all can see all of this stuff before I even hit the streets. You feel me? Y'all can see all of this stuff firsthand. But it's cool though. Appreciate y'all for watching, and I love all y'all out there. We've been going up a lot recently in the past couple months, and I only intend on boosting that even higher. So appreciate y'all for watching. Yeah, y'all know what time it is. I'll see y'all on the next one.